very short video. I wanted to share with you my experience with Dior. I'm really happy that the items that I've returned, and I'll show you why I returned them, they replaced, despite the fact that the purchase was made well over a year ago. It must have been about 2 years ago now. I think they broadly acknowledge that there has been a problem with mechanism, the closing mechanism in here, in these compacts. I believe they discontinued that particular packaging and replaced it with this. So I'm going to show you and tell you exactly what I've done. They replaced with that. So the same products now in this packaging. It's slightly more expensive. I think it's about £4 difference. It might be nothing to do with actual packaging change of packaging, but it actually just might be to do with general, price increase. So I had, it must have been 2019, end of 2019, maybe beginning of 2020. I purchased a few items. I bought this as a highlighter compact, which is 4 highlighters. Frankly, I could have perfectly just stayed with that. I didn't need anything else, but I always need something else, right? So, and there was the time when I was really purchasing quite a lot of Dior and Chanel products about a year ago. So I have stopped now, temporarily, I think. But anyway, and I did reviews on that compact highlighter. This one is number 1, and in exactly the same package, it was number 6, which is very nice pearl white. It's called hologram. I think it's called hologram. Number 6 hologram, which I use more frequently, and because I use more frequently, this thing broke very quickly. I thought, I just don't know why I'm suffering. I looked at the new packaging. I really liked it very much, and I didn't feel it was fair for me to go and buy another item for £40, which to replace just because the mechanism is broken. I thought I'm gonna call them and just see what they can suggest. So I spoke to them, and they were very nice. Oh, Madame Martine, blah blah, all of that, all this typical French conversations, and made me feel very welcome, very comfortable. They were very apologetic. So they suggested that I sent the broken items with proof of purchase, because most of my purchases I would have done with Dior online, and I just printed off my order with order number with a date on it, which did go back to 2019, actually 2020 and 2019. So it's decent, and now we're at the end of 2021. So they do acknowledge that. They do acknowledge it was a problem. It was a mechanical failure on the closing mechanism, and they replaced items for me. So how it works, you call customer services, you explain what products you have, and you don't need to take a picture of them at all. You just on a call, they will send you an email with address of the quality control center, which is in the UK, at least is based in the UK. Maybe they've got them in different countries, I don't know. But for me, it was just sending items to London, which was very easy. I packaged them well. I sent it off with proof of posting, and sat tight and waited. So I even forgot about it. About 3 weeks later, I thought I'm going to chase them, and they said, oh, we've sent you an email today. So I didn't check emails, I just called them. They said, oh, we sent you an email today, please have a look at your emails. So email said, thank you for returning. We confirm, quality control confirmed that these items are faulty, closing mechanism. Please use this link to choose replacements. And I thought I go for exactly the same replacements, the same items, and that holographic or so-called hologram white, as you see, highlighter, that one. One of the conditions that the purchase couldn't be really old products, really old, used for like over 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago maybe. They exercise discretion and they see how much you actually used. And I said, look, I've got plenty and I haven't used them extensively, but even with my light usage, it's still broke. And I said, I've got other 2 things which are probably will break. And he said, well, if they break, we repeat the same process. But I have to admit they've been absolutely excellent. No problem whatsoever. I'm slightly worried about this one. And for some reason, I decided that I didn't have enough highlighters. I know other people who never have enough highlighters. So I bought this one, which is also Dior Nude. I'm not sure if it's Backstage, actually called Backstage or not, but maybe not. Dior Nude Skin. It's not Backstage. Dior Nude Skin. This one is in a plainer sort of clear package, cheaper package. Actually works fine. It didn't break. This package is much more solid than those. So we'll see what happens with this. But I thought I'll let you know because they've been brilliant, and they sent it to me. Then they sent me an email saying it will be now shipped to you, obviously for free, and please expect our delivery notification. And today I had delivery notification. It came with parcel force. So that's my Dior now. It doesn't say nude anymore. It's not obviously that Dior Nude Skin. It costs more. But it costs more, as I said. It could be to do with the packaging, or it could be even just with price increase generally. And I also, the other one was in the same packaging that broke, was a bronzer. And I remember watching someone's review about it, and this bronzer was beautiful and it was lovely. I bought a lighter shade, but then I thought, for bronzer, I can just use very fluffy brush, and I went for that tone, which I think is more, maybe more intense than I need to. I don't know, but I haven't used it yet. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I can just do a fluffy brush. So I thought I'd share with you if you have a problem. I don't know if the Dior centers are sort of accepting items in each country, or is there a specific place. But if you have a problem and if you have products that are sitting in your drawer, in your vanity, and you would like to use them but you can't because the broken lids, and every time it's annoying, it really is frustrating because it's a good product. The product is lovely, but if the lid is that cover isn't working, you have to kind of fix it every time. And because the little like metal things, they break that holding point here. You see, those are metal needles. They break this plastic stuff. So I think it wasn't thought through properly, and they discontinued that. But we'll see how long this is going to last, and I might just replace them too if so. There we go. That's what I wanted to let you know. I hope you're having a wonderful week, heading towards the weekend very quickly, aren't we? I'm certainly doing quite a lot of hours of work. It's really busy, which is always nice, and I will get back into my routine. I haven't been very well over the last about 3 weeks. It wasn't COVID. It was different points in my body were giving up. So it's now being fixed. So I'm fine, and I will be coming back to my usual YouTube routine. I am heading towards 20,000 subscribers. I'm really happy about it, and I hope I'm going to do something special when I hit that milestone. Thank you everyone for supporting me, for watching me, and I wish you a pleasant weekend ahead of us, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye bye.